Hello, and I want to officially welcome you to the Notary Educators Business Success Mentor Program. I'm Kimmi Nunley, and I am one of the teachers and the educators here at Notary Educators. I want to take a second and actually show you how to maximize your time in the mentorship program. Okay, so let's go over how the program is designed to work, and then I'm going to actually show you how to use Kajabi and what your next steps need to be. We'll go over that too, okay? So let's talk about the program. The mentorship program is designed for you to watch at the time of this recording our 14 different courses. Now, you don't have to watch all of them at one time. That's not how it was designed. However, there are 14 different courses. So, for example, we have Notarize Like a Pro. We have the Specialty Estate Training, which takes you through how to actually notarize estate documents. There's also the Pricing Your Notary Services course / marketing. We have the ink fingerprinting course, the Apostille training course, the I-9 training course, translation services training course, and also the loan signing agent A to Z, along with a couple more. The Build Your Business actually is a course too, which take you step by step how to build out your notary business. So all of those courses have been designed step by step to teach you how to properly notarize documents, how to price your services, how to actually build your business step by step. As you're watching the training, we want you to take notes, and feel free, if there's any time that you need some assistance, you can drop it in our GroupMe chat, which I'm going to talk about. If we feel as an educator that we need to contact you, then we will call you at your phone number with your permission and go over more information. So the course is also designed in such a way that as you're learning, you can start implementing. Okay, so if you're already learning how to be a notary, you already have your supplies, and you're feeling comfortable after watching Notarize Like a Pro, go ahead, accept the general notary assignment, and just know that we have your back as the educators inside the GroupMe app, which I'm going to talk about shortly. Okay, we also meet weekly, so do not miss the live Zooms if you can help it. We have a training session just for a few minutes every week, and then we open it for general coaching. That's part of your mentorship, okay? It's also included. If for some reason you cannot make the mentorship session, it's not a big deal. If for some reason you cannot make it, they are recorded and they are uploaded hopefully the same night of the session. The session schedule is put out monthly. There are typically 4 to 5 sessions per month, okay? This video may be a few minutes longer because I want to make sure I try to cover everything that's in the program, because I want you to be the most successful notary that you can, and I want you to receive the maximum benefits being a part of the mentorship program, okay? So we talked about a little bit how the program works. And one other note there too, you don't have to wait until the session that we're on to watch that corresponding course, because sometimes it may be a course related to the topic, sometimes it's not. So you can watch the courses in order. They are already uploaded in order. You have Notarize Like a Pro, you have the specialty course, you have the estate course, the Build Your Business course, how to price your services course. So they're all uploaded already in the order in which you need to watch it. Okay, so there's no need to stress about that. I'm going to show you that shortly. The second thing I want to highlight is please make sure that you opt in for emails. If you do not opt in for emails with Kajabi, they're taking it as, oh, this person does not want to be contacted by notary educators. So when we do send out emails about upcoming Zoom sessions or upcoming changes to the program or things that we've added to the program, like I just added the tax notary course to the program, you won't receive those messages. So we need you to make sure that you opt in. You will go under your settings, and I'm going to show you that shortly, and you'll be able to change your settings, okay? GroupMe is our main form of communication. GroupMe is an app similar to like WhatsApp. Most people do have that, but we use GroupMe. So when it comes to GroupMe, you will download the app to your phone if you already don't have it. The link is included in the welcome email. You will just click the link to join the group. And then sometimes as a means of verification, GroupMe will ask you to verify either using your Facebook account or some other method. So when it's asking you about your Facebook account, they want to verify who you are. So you must choose one of those options if you already are not using GroupMe in order to be verified. I already mentioned this, but again, the courses are already uploaded in the order in which we recommend them, but you can take them at your own leisure, however way you see fit. So for example, I have Notarize Like a Pro as the very first course. You may know how to properly notarize and you want to learn how to price. Go ahead and skip to the pricing section, and then you can come back to the wedding officiant if you want to add that to your business, or you can come back to remote online notary. It's your course, your option, your choosing, okay? Also, please familiarize yourself with the announcement tab. There are announcements that will be coming out. So that's going to be within your Kajabi course. So just play around with the screen. I'm getting ready to show you actually a few things too, but I really want to make sure Kajabi is going to be your new best friend as long as you're part of the mentorship, because everything we do will go through Kajabi. Now, we typically will try to send out the Zoom links also in the chat, which is the GroupMe chat I just mentioned, but we also upload the Zoom links every week in Kajabi, and there's an actual tab. I'm going to show you that. So let me get my Kajabi open and we'll actually start showing you a few things there. Okay. Let me hit share screen first. And I'm going to go over here and we're going to do share. So as you can see here is Kajabi. This is the Notary Business Success Mentor Program. And you would just start the course. Simply start. When you first log in, you may have to put a password or whatever, but simply hit start course and it will take you to the very first course. So we'll do that now. And it will take you to Notarize Like a Pro. So you would just simply hit it. As you can see, hello, and welcome to Notarize. Okay, and you will do that course, and then they're already in order the way you need to take the next one. Specialty General Notary. You have parts 1 and 2, the estate course, build your notary business step by step, pricing and marketing, introduction to remote online notary, I-9, ink fingerprinting, translation, wedding officiant, apostille, loan signing, Google Business, notaries, and taxes. So you again can choose which order you prefer. And whenever we're saying go to your avatar or to your account, you see this little face right here? That would be you. You can tap that. So we're going to go back. Okay. So again, you see all the courses are listed here in order. It's a brief description of each one, just in case you're not sure what the course is consisting of or what it's about. You can see all of the courses. There we go. Page 1, page 2, all of the courses. Okay. So we're going to go back because I also want you to see the replays. So underneath the main course library, which is right here where it says start course, they're all listed again in the order that we recommend, but you can watch them however you like. Then you have the mentor sessions right here, the replays. So this is our original kickoff back in July. No worries if you were not here. It's, again, you can watch everything at your leisure. So we did start the program back in July. However, you can go back and watch these at your leisure. So we talked about the role of a notary, acknowledgments versus jurats, supplies, and the notary block. So I do recommend you watch these at first initial trainings, especially because we dealt a lot with notarizations, and it's going to really help you to be a great notary. We had some open topic sessions here, customer service tips, and as you can see, when to say no to a notarization, unauthorized practice of law. So the sessions have been going on for a while, and we're so excited that you too decided to take your business in your own hands and learn with the Notary Educators team. We have some sample documents here, as you can see. Sample documents. I'll just click that open for you. We got a living will, medical power of attorney, durable power of attorney, financial power of attorney. So just some sample documents that you may need. Sample loan signing documents. Okay, just show you that a little bit here. We got the mortgage package, the truth in lending, first payment letter. So just a few documents. And then we have some loan signing agent tip sheets. So you can see all of those here. You can download them as you please. And then here is where, again, we're on the main page. If you look here, where everything starts, this is where the party happens. Scroll all the way down. And we have our Zoom link, okay? Our weekly Zoom link. So this is the Zoom link for this week. I put it out on the actual session was on November 3rd. And you can click here and get the link. Okay. The link will always be there for you. And then this is what the month's topics will consist of. Okay. This particular month here, just a sample, tells you about the program in its entirety. And then we have the actual mentorship workshops, day and time listed right here for you. Okay. Actual day and time. So you would like to probably put that on your cell phone. And then don't forget, you can always come back here to see the actual link. Privacy policy terms and conditions, some free resources. If you need your EIN number, it'll take you right to Notary Educators where we have your EIN number. You can click and get that for free. Your LLC, learn more about what it is, a notary business checklist. Okay. So these are a few things at the time of this recording, but by the time you got through all of this, you should be a pro at using Kajabi. Now, I would like to also show you how to change your, if you'd like to cancel. So if you'd like to cancel, you would go to click the face. Everything starts here with your account. Go to settings. Okay. Settings. You would be logged in at this point, and I won't be able to show you here because of privacy issues. But you would be able to see a setting that says account or subscriptions or payments. You would simply log in, and then you would be able to cancel your subscription as you like. You are not obligated, okay? We don't want to see you go, but we know things do happen. So you again click the face, go to settings, and then just play around. It's only 2 or 3 options up here. I don't see it right this second. Again, for privacy reasons, I can't actually show you because I'm not logged in. But you will be able to actually cancel your subscription, okay? And you can come back at any time. So I've tried to give you a nice overview of what to expect with the program. I am going to go back now and exit out of this and come back to the screen. There we go. And we stopped sharing. So yes, so I wanted to give you a nice overview of what to expect. Again, Notary Educators Mentorship Program consists of you having complete access to all of our training sessions, okay? Also, there's a live component where we meet weekly. Do not forget those. You can find the information under the Zoom link on the main page. The courses are outlined in the order that we recommend, but you can take them however you like at your leisure, okay? And also, do not forget to join the GroupMe. Do not forget to join GroupMe. GroupMe is the way that we mainly communicate. If we need to call you, something is not clear, eventually we will. We always start with GroupMe because we believe in each one, teach one. If you have a question, somebody else in the group has that same question. That way we're able to go ahead and answer it and hopefully get it resolved. New people will be joining. They may have the same question. So occasionally you may see a duplicate of a question. No worries. If something does not apply to you, just simply forget it. Let it go in one ear and out the other. Okay, because that does happen. People are joining at different times. People are at different levels. Some of you have been here since day one. Some of you are just joining. Again, we want to officially welcome you to the Notary Educators Business Success Mentorship Program. Again, I am Kimmi. I hope I've answered some major questions that may come up about being a part of the mentorship. If I have not addressed all of your questions, again, you can ask it in GroupMe, or feel free to email us at notaryeducatorsllc@gmail.com. On behalf of the Notary Educators Training Team, again, I am Kimberly Nunnally, and we welcome you to the program. Bye. Much success.